Right, well I'm outside in the pouring rain with the Nissan Ariya Nismo. Now there's a name for you. This is a luxury electric SUV and it all looks very flash. Got my son in the front passenger seat and it doesn't like that. Problem is, they automatically lock. That's the issue I have when you walk away with the key on you. That's good though, doesn't it? Very flash. It's like a cross between a Nissan Qashqai and a VW ID, I think. Now, let me show you the boot. Now, this really is a very big boot. When you get the rear seats down, it's massive. It's big enough to fit a 6-foot door inside. This is all the charging paraphernalia. So you've got a power boot, of course. You better get in, Henry. I'll be in a minute. So plenty of room in the back. Go on then, you get it, and then you show everything.
We've got a cup holder on.
Very nice. Nice luxurious trim as well, isn't it?
It's leather.
Yeah.
You've got electric windows.
Yep.
Pouch for stuff in it. Whatever you want to call it.
Yeah, bottle holder.
And
Yep.
then you've got
USB charger.
USB chargers.
Air vents. And can we see the finish as well? I don't know if that will come up on the camera, but it's quite a nice. It's probably plastic, but it's patterned and it looks nice. A bit sort of wood grainy. Like the headrest.
Sporty.
Yeah, it is.
Red like sticks.
Bit of thought has been given to the design, hasn't it? You put your maps in the back if anybody ever uses those these days. Books or anything like that. I'm going to go in the front now, Henry. That's nice too, isn't it? Okay then. Right, let's get inside. What a horrible day. Right, here we are. We're in warm and dry now. Now look at all this. We've got some neat touches. So we've got red lights everywhere, which sort of hints at the speed that this vehicle will travel. Does 0 to 60 in 5 seconds. Has a top speed of 124 miles per hour.
It's electric.
The range is 247 miles on a full charge. So we've got a push button start and lots of buttons and switches to. Now what I have found out is this e-pedal here. Now this is quite an interesting device because basically it's all about energy saving. When you put it on, the car automatically brakes for you when you slow down, so you don't need to use your brake pedal. So it's quite a clever idea,
And
which helps you, if you're very lucky, gain a bit of range, but it's best to be used in city centre driving.
And you have two
Oh, that's very good, Henry. Well
of
spotted.
these.
Yeah.
On here you can just get like the nearest food, the nearest charging point, traffic, wherever that is on the road.
Very good.
You can just what's handy is you don't have to type the postcode, you can just type the road or the lane or whatever it's called.
Very good.
And yeah, if you go onto home, it has all of that app, Alexa.
And it's a touch screen, isn't it?
Yeah.
Right. Very good.
And yeah, it tells you how much you used, how much has gone.
Oh, and a nice
And
traditional clock.
nice.
That's what I like to see. Very good.
Yeah, you've got the radio.
What happens if I push that? Oh, yeah. That's good.
Oh yeah, and what if I don't? Right. So here.
Yep.
If you go on there and then you press that, it goes like night mode. So like when you want to go to bed, you don't want something like that glaring in your eyes.
No.
You can just have it like darker.
If you're pulling over for a 5-minute rest or something.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay.
Now we've also got different driving modes, haven't we?
Yes.
So if you push that button and then we'll see what happens.
So standard.
Right.
Nismo, which is like a boost, like
goodness,
really
that'll be super
quick.
duper quick, won't it? Standard Eco snow, blimey.
Which is probably.
Well, we've not had any snow in the southeast of England for a long time, so I don't think we'll need that. But yeah, I keep it in Eco mode so that we get the most out of the battery. So you can see it's 45% charged. That should give us about 93 miles if we're lucky.
You've got quite a few modes. Nismo is basically sport, but faster than sport.
Pretty good.
You've got all of this on.
Yeah, so we've got a few controls on the steering wheel, which includes the cruise control, doesn't it?
Oh, is that a handbrake?
Yeah, handbrake.
Yeah,
we've got it on at the moment. Push it off, take it in. Oh, you have to have your foot on the brake to disengage it.
You've also got this.
Look out for the brake. Yeah, very good. I better show the power seats, haven't I? Put my hat on. That's all very good. Easy to operate. Very luxurious, isn't it? As you would expect. Because it costs over £50,000, this model. Yeah, again, you've got the finish there, which is a bit like wood, but it isn't. It's plastic.
And you've got storage in here.
Yeah, for the phone and everything. Yeah. Heated steering wheel. Oh yeah. Yeah, there's a lot of room in the footwell, isn't there?
You've got more space there, and what's quite good is that this, like a normal one, it would just come like out like that, really.
Yep.
But this gives you lots more space.
Yep.
It has a nice like carpet.
Yep. It's all quite luxurious, isn't it? Yep. Power folding wing mirrors. Let's see if we can operate them. There we go.
Can you show the projection?
I don't think so.
Well, there's
Let's have a look. Because it probably won't come up. But basically, your speed and your sat-nav direction are projected onto the windscreen.
There's a
you might see it, you might not on the studio.
There.
Yep, there it is down there.
You've got green light here, but I think is like when you're in the car.
Might be security deal.
Yeah. Also, what we just noticed, if you lock the door, if you just turn a tiny bit of your arm, the alarm goes off. So it's not when, you know when the alarm just went off, I just went like that. Then
that's no good, is it?
So,
that's very irritating.
Yeah.
That's an interesting sign that's come up. Have a cup of coffee. Maybe I've been driving it too much today and he wants me to have a cup of coffee. I don't know. Anyway, I think we'll wrap it up there.
You've also got lock here, so unlock, which
Oh, for the window. Yeah. Yep. Oh, is that for the door?
No, that's for the
Oh, is it for the door? Okay, well, thank you for your help, Henry. Great, very interesting car.